So we just finished up this 2023 SR5 Tundra. Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. I just want to go over some of the things we did on this truck. We'll start up here in the front, we'll work our way to the back. This has got CBI's covert front bumper. It's got our Westcott Designs front center light bracket for the TRD Pro grills. It's got a 30-inch Baja Designs S8 light bar. It's got a set of the Rave adaptable lights that plug in here for the front. So this has our Westcott Designs front lift in it, and it has our Westcott Designs rear lift in it. We did our lift, we did a set of 35 12.5 by 18s on a plus 18 wheel. This is a Method 305 on this, and the bronze finish. We pushed back the fender liner back here in the corner. We talked about how we want this to look factory, so we buttoned it up in there. We did trim the front above the liner from the bottom to the first bracket, and we did that just so it would have plenty of fender clearance if you decided to off-road with this. It's got the factory Predator steps here, our lift in the back here. You look right here, TSS off-road. So a lot of people I see driving around have TSS or off-road package or whatever. So I don't know how familiar you are with the TSS. This was a program that was offered to the coastal states where they do their own outfitting at those dealers on the coastal states. This was, they could put their package on these trucks. They could actually build it right into the window sticker on these trucks, but that's something that they're allowed to do, and it's only the coastal states that are able to do this. So they build their own packages for these trucks, whether they do wheels, tires, lift, whatever they do, and that can all go in the factory window sticker on these trucks. So it's got a black tip on it. That was obviously on there. I'm sure that was part of their package. The rear step here, that's a factory step on this, but even aftermarket parts they can do in this package with these trucks. So this is this was the special color. This army green was special color for the TRD Pros in 2020, but the green and the bronze just really tie in nice together. This truck looks super clean. We drove it obviously out here in the desert. It rides really nice. We got the alignment set up good. The tires on this, they're an 8-ply, so that's why I felt like the truck drove a little bit nicer, because it has an 8-ply tire, not a 10-ply tire. And that's one of the things we talk about all the time is running these 8-plies versus a 10-ply or even a 12-ply, because this truck only comes in at 6,000 pounds, and it really originally started with a 4-ply tire, where a lot of people don't realize that's a passenger car tire. So running those passenger car tires, they're really not intended for a lot of weight, but they're meant to drive really, really nice, and then obviously be very lightweight, and that is so you can maximize the gas mileage. So as soon as we start changing wheels, tires, lift, and stuff like that, you're gonna firm up the ride a little bit. But then at the same time, we want to try to compromise and try to make it just as nice as we possibly can with running an 8-ply versus a 10 or a 12-ply. So I want to share that with you guys. This truck came out really, really nice. It's just the little things, the little details on this that really make a difference on these trucks and how they look. And I mean, the guy came in last week and he's like, yeah, it doesn't look that big, and it doesn't look masculine, it doesn't look tough. And so hopefully when he gets his truck back, he'll understand and see just how much better just a set of wheels and tires and a lift will make on these trucks, whether doing grill and bumper and all the other things that go along with it, but just the little things that go a long way. So hope you guys really enjoyed this. We'd love to hear from you. Comment, like, or subscribe. We'd like to hear from you. Have a good day. Thanks so much.